Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin inside Settings, immediately go to Security or Lock Screen so you can change the lock PIN. Once there, pick Screen Lock or Password options and choose PIN. You need to enter your current PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint to verify. This prevents unauthorized changes. Make sure you have a memorable new PIN ready and avoid simple sequences. Keep the new PIN distinct from other codes you use, because reusing passwords increases risk. Proceed only after verification succeeds. Now type your new PIN when prompted. Choose 4 to 6 digits for balance between security and convenience. Once you enter it, the device asks you to confirm by typing it again. Do that slowly to avoid lockouts. Enable optional backup unlocks like fingerprint or face to recover access if you forget the PIN, and make a short note in a secure place. Once confirmed, the system will apply the new PIN and usually show a success message. Note the effective change immediately. Finish by locking the screen and testing the new PIN several times to ensure it works reliably. This prevents surprises later. If you enter the wrong PIN repeatedly and get locked out, use your linked account recovery, backup PIN, or biometric option to regain access. Make sure you know your account credentials. If recovery fails, a factory reset will restore access but erase data, so back up important files beforehand. If issues persist, contact the device manufacturer for guided support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.